the 999 portal. 9 is a deeply sacred number. It is the number of completion. And anybody who is listening to this, if this video has found its way to you, know that this is a strong sign that you are now coming into the completion side of it. But what I do want to make you aware of, there are fragmentations of energy and frequency still dissipating out. So those lower versions of yourself. So with this energy, it's about really checking in with self. As I always say, putting your hands, on your heart chakra into that sacred sovereign self and saying, does this feel sacred to me? Does this feel soul aligned to me? And really check in with yourself, really take accountability. Remember, those emotions, that frequency of looking outside of yourself will be rising at the moment. The feeling of not enough, the feeling of, what is the point? What is this all about? On this journey, doubt rises only when you step into the mind and ego. When you fully align with soul, when you come into soul alignment, then you are in that peace energy. Then you are in that soul frequency. But as this completion energy rises and it's moving through, right through till the end of the year, you're gonna feel it very peaking on that 21st of September as we go into another moon frequency that is going to be very powerful, very, this is a very shaking energy, and this energy shakes you, but it doesn't shake you so you crumble and fall. It shakes you so you see where you have had the veil up, where you have been in an illusion. This is now coming back into sovereign frequency. And as I always say, as the divine feminine shifts, it shifts a frequency within the masculine energy. And that is for you too. Remember, we all hold the feminine and the masculine frequency and energy within us. So really, take time out in nature, take time out to be in the stillness, because when you're in the stillness, the soul gives you that feedback. You start to hear the whispers of the soul. And remember, the soul does not work in big words. The soul works in nudges. The soul is always guiding you on this journey. If you're on an awakening journey, whether it be through a twin flame or be through, you're just going through those dramatic, life-changing, life-altering events that has awoken you to your true soul essence, know that the soul is guiding you on this. You will feel those nudges. You will know that now it's time to change. Now it's time to reclaim those lost aspects. Because something that does happen on this journey is you do feel that fragmentation. And through the journey, through you coming into that wholeness, through you coming into that sovereign energy, through you doing that deep inner work where you take accountability, where you take responsibility, where you start to regulate those emotions. Because one thing that happens at soul recognition, where you go into that first separation, is the deregulation of the nervous system. And it is about you learning how to regulate your emotions, believing that the emotions, are there to guide you, but not for you to sit in the wounded aspect, but for you to go, no, I reclaim that part, but I don't sit in the wounded aspect. I rise into the highest version. Remember, this is a journey of ascension. As you shift, it vibrates through to divine masculine. They will bring through all your wounded aspects, all your core wounds. And this completion energy that we are in now with the 999 portal is there for you to really come into that inner union. You know, I always say you have two choices on this journey. You can take the lower timeline, the lower journey, the lower path, and that is staying in the wounded aspect. That's believing that everything is happening to you and people are doing things to you. Or you can go, no, I am choosing the highest version. I am choosing the highest timeline, knowing that this journey is always guiding me and that I am the creative life force. I am always guiding myself, and that I are actually that God essence expressing itself through me. I am that creative life force energy. And I have a choice. I have two choices. The path I choose, I can choose the highest timeline. And the highest timeline is always coming into heart chakra and going, is this sacred? Is this sacred? What I am doing now, the action that I am taking, the reaction that I am taking now, is this sacred to my journey? Is this sacred to me? Because you can watch as many YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, reels, videos as you like. But until you start to embody it, until you start to really bring it into your vibration and stand in that sacred energy and go, I am my own guru. I am my own guru. You are your own guru. Everybody is their own guru. And I have a choice on this journey. I can sit in the victim and believe that the journey is happening to me, or I can come into that sacred energy, the sacred energy of the journey, and know that divine is expressing itself through me and that this is about me ascending into the highest version. What is not sacred to me right now? Because in a completion energy that we are in now, you have those choices. You have that choice to go, no, I'm choosing that highest version. I am being crystal clear, that clear energy. I'm sitting in that crystal, that beautiful crystal clear energy, and I allow it to be absorbed with my third eye energy. And I bring in that crystal energy down into my sacred heart, down into this 999 portal. And I am clear on that I choose that sacred energy. I choose the highest version. I am always choosing the highest version. And yes, things may arise. Those oscillations, we often talk about when that oscillation vibrates through you, it vibrates through. You allow it to rise. You do not spiritually bypass it. You allow it to rise within you. And when it arises within you, it allows it to dissipate out. We are not spiritually bypassing it, so we hold on to that energy of that wounded aspect of self. Instead, we rise into the highest version. As we rise, divine masculine has to rise. Why? Because it is one energetic frequency. And you, divine feminine, you are frequency, you are energy, and you today are choosing that highest version. You are your own guru. This journey is an incredible journey. This portal energy of September is powerful, is transformative, is there to catapult you into the highest version of self. And you really do have a choice of what is your highest version. What is it? Where are you bringing it back to? Where are you, keeping yourself stuck? Let go, release. That blood moon that we have just gone through was releasing, letting go, and stepping into that sacred soul alignment frequency. If you need more help and support on your journey, whether it is learning how to work with energy and frequency, learning how to work with soul essence, and really developing a beautiful soul frequency, or learning how to walk the A to Z of the twin flame journey, your activation, then my website is there, 3ws.catsacredsoul.com. It's there to help and support you so you choose the highest version, the highest timeline, the soul.